economically it's much more difficult than when I was a child or when I was growing up. Nowadays it's really, really quite difficult. If you're struggling as a family, if you're living quite an isolated existence within any urban area, to get away and to be able to reconnect is really difficult. I think, as I mentioned before, that our focus here in Whakatohea's festival, that we connect the people who live here back to their hapu, first of all, and their marae, and that we resource, you know, those areas, because they will, they are the ones who actually draw back their own people. When you don't have anyone living back in the haukainga, then it's really difficult if you've lived 2 or 3 generations, say in Auckland, to come back, because there is nobody here that you know. So yeah, we have to provide those kind of opportunities to ensure that the people who live here have the resources, the support to be able to to reach out to those of their whanau who live out of the haukainga. Because when you live away, you know, your iwi isn't your priority. Just living is a priority, living day to day. So we have to make those opportunities available where our people can come home.